Branding can often be overlooked in the manufacturing market, but it's an incredibly powerful tool to help your business stand out from your competition. Take advanced engineering, for example. A client that came to us for a complete digital overhaul. As you can see, there was no particular branding structure before, no recognisable colour schemes or any continuity across their digital platforms.
I was tasked with designing advanced engineering a new logo, which I think has actually turned out to be one of my favourite designs to date.
We incorporated the colour scheme of the logo throughout the website. As you can see, there's enough colour, but not too much that it's overpowering.
I think the logo looks super modern, and what's more, we've been able to use it within their social media posts to further push their brand identity. The A and the E works really well as cutouts that we can layer with factory shots to give a 3D effect or add more depth to the image.
It's important to understand that branding plays a crucial role in establishing trust and credibility with potential customers. For advanced engineering, it meant standing out from the crowd in a very competitive market and showing that they're a modern and growing business.